How to fix Spotify Wrapped not showing on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify Wrapped not showing on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here, go to settings, scroll all the way down until you find here apps. Now click apps again, type here Instagram, click on it. Now click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. After that, go to permissions, make sure all of those permissions are enabled. After that, just go back, go to Play Store, make sure your Spotify is updated. Maybe you'll find here an update, then click on it. And as you say, I don't have any update here. And that's it. Now restart your phone and try again. I hope that can fix your problem and see you in the next video.